Power 105.1, ladies and gentlemen, in our exclusive interview, as I promised y'all yesterday, Pleasure P decided to stop by the studio. What's up, P?
What's going on, man?
How you doing, man?
I'm holding up well, man. You know, I can't complain at all.
With a whole lot of controversy surrounding you, bro.
Yeah, a whole lot.
Tell me how did it start? Where did it all come from?
Well, you know, it actually came from a no-face blogger, a person that don't exist on the internet, a person that won't show their face. Just decided, I'm just gonna put out some false information about Mr. Pleasure P.
Right.
And we dealing with it right now. I took off of the R. Kelly tour, you know what I mean, just to deal with this issue. You know what I'm saying? Because this is a very serious matter, and it can happen to anybody. It could have been you. It could have been anybody. You know what I'm saying? If a person just put something out there like that and people actually believe in it, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of crazy.
Right. So this person who put this information out about you on the internet, you've investigated, and it's not a person at all. Is this just something that somebody out of the sky blue decided to make up about you? Because when somebody call you a pedophile, that's serious.
It could be persons. It could be. You know what I mean? I don't know. I ain't saying that I really know who it is, but like I said, we get to the bottom of this, which is why I'm not on tour. My attorney right here, my whole legal team, you know what I'm saying? We definitely focusing on this issue, you know what I mean?
Right.
I've been nominated for 3 Grammys, you know what I mean? I ain't even been able to celebrate that, you know what I'm saying? Just the same day as my nominations came through, I got to deal with this, you know what I'm saying? And, that's just, I feel like that's the music business, you know what I'm saying? That's the kind of stuff you got to deal with. That's the kind of stuff.
Well, congratulations on the Grammy nominations. And what categories are you nominated for on Grammy?
Actually, I don't even know. What is it? Best? The album.
Best album,
Best
R&B album?
performance for a song, and what else?
2 for the song.
And two for my song, you know what I mean? I ain't even really been focusing on that, like I said.
Did it just throw you off your square, man?
It kind of, it threw me out because it's very serious. I mean, of course, we talking about my family. Family comes first before anything, My career, my livelihood, all of this on the line over something that somebody that don't even, don't exist could say. Like, it can happen to anybody. So, we taking it very serious. It's not true.
Where were you the first time you heard about it?
I was probably just not getting off of the stage or something. I don't know, either off the stage or on the bus. I don't remember, but when I heard about it, people started calling like, "What? You serious?" And I started checking my Twitter, and people, I want to burn your CD, and like, "What? You serious?" You know what I'm saying? For something that ain't even true. You know what I'm saying? Something that somebody just randomly said. You know what I'm saying? So I kind of just, I got to leave the tour. I took off the tour, and I came straight to New York to kind of deal with it, because it is, it's very serious to me. You know what I mean?
Right. So when you heard it, you decided to take some time off from the tour, so that's taking money out of your pocket.
Yeah.
Because obviously you're getting paid to be on this tour with R. Kelly. You're on the tour. You're traveling around the country. Did it affect you? Did you do another show after you heard about it, or did you immediately stop off the tour?
I immediately stopped the tour. It was 4 dates left anyway, so I just, I'm just going to leave and deal with, this situation.
Right.
Yeah.
It's crazy to me because it's like, I know you're saying this is a complete fabrication, but was it based in anything? Is it a situation where someone named Marcus Cooper was involved, but it's not you? Is it something where you were charged once when you were younger, but the charges were dismissed? Like, is it just completely out of left field?
It's out of left field. It's done. It's something that never happened.
The names that were listed on the documents, because documents went out as well. I don't know if you actually saw the documents, but were those actual family members?
Hi.
This is an attorney, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi. How are everybody? Listen, you got to look at it this way. How do you defend yourself against a lie on the internet? It's virtually impossible. The only thing that this unnamed person, has come forward with are these documents, which if you look at them, they don't make sense. They're cobbled together. They're different documents. We don't know if they're real or not. I think they're phony. But you got to look at I don't think anybody's looked at them and read them. They have, I think, name Marcus Cooper on them. They have the name of somebody named Joseph Smith and Mariah Johnson, but they don't say anything about child molesting. And it wouldn't make sense for documents that are from a family court to be public, for anybody to be able to publish them, because the law requires that these stay sealed for the safety of the minor children that come through the family courts. The courts will never in a million years release documents like that. That's how we know that these are just phony. So if you start with a lie, and then you ask Marcus, well, what do you make of this? how do you defend yourself against a lie put forward by a phony person who has never given their name? This person named Goldstein doesn't exist. The lawyer named Goldstein doesn't exist. You don't even know his first name. So you're suddenly battling against phantoms. How do you box a phantom? You can't.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. See, I love it showing this Power 105 it. And when we come back, we got more Pleasure P. We're going to talk to him about where does he think this whole mess originated from. And see, I love it showing this Power 105.